All right, you guys, we're back with another video. Went ahead and had the radiator replaced recently, and it is a Denso Easy Fit unit, same as the OEM. The only thing is once you get it replaced, you do lose that little foam piece that goes in between. It's not really much of a big deal. If anything, from my experience as a track guy, this might even help with cooling, just to get more of the air up to the top of the radiator. Anyways, yeah, radiator's been replaced. The second thing that we went ahead and took care of this morning was the hood struts. The hood struts on the car were so bad the hood would not even stay open. The driver's side unit was leaking bad. Like anytime you'd open it up, the fluid and the oil would go straight down to the bottom of the arm. So of course went ahead and replaced both. What I wanted to explain to you guys though is how cheap these things are. So these generic hood struts, they're online anywhere from $12 to $15 per unit. So we'll call it $24 to $30, you know, to do the whole, for the parts, basically, to do the whole job. So I went ahead and I usually tend to get the more expensive stuff, just assuming it's gonna last but maybe a little bit longer. So these are $15 a piece, or I should say these are $15 a piece. It's very, very simple removal, even for somebody as simple as I am. I got these yesterday at Walmart for $6. You get these in a little set. Find the right set. I believe it's a 12 or a 14, or 12 for the original, then 14 for the secondary one. You just remove this with the crescent wrench. Then it's a couple bolts up here at the top. Those come out. The new unit has to go in with the arm extended. So the only trick is I used a broomstick to just prop open the hood. And what I did was I propped the top of the broomstick kind of like underneath the grill, and the bottom of the broomstick was down here. So it did have room to kind of prop and keep the hood up, because the bolts have to go in with the unit extended perfectly so it fits in there. So anyways, went ahead and replaced one, went ahead and replaced the second, and now not only does it stay open, look at this, you guys, it actually has a return, almost like I don't know, like the hatch on a minivan. You see what I mean? It goes up on its own. This has torn on its own over time, and nothing, that's a big deal, basically. It's more cosmetic than anything here. But yeah, just happy to report that they're done, and the hood is good. Maybe just go get a car washed, and she's in good shape.